Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, and leave me your comments. And please share this video out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, I got just two little announcements I want to tell you about before we get into today's video. First of all, on my book website, I've got a new blog. I post a blog on there 2 to 3 times a week. It's all about making money. Y'all be sure and go check it out. The blog is completely free. Just go read them. Check them out. I'm sure you'll probably like them. Also, my new book is doing very well. It's also on that same website. Be sure and check that out when you're there. Okay, let's get into this. Y'all, we have to hope that the House and the Senate will come together this week for a stimulus package and get something voted on and passed, then send it to President Trump for his signature. This looks like it's our last hope for getting anything passed before the election. And we know that after the election, they will not be in any hurry to get anything done. I mean, why would they be? The election's over. Nothing's in it for them. On the government budget, the House has passed a plan that will keep the government running until the end of the year. Don't you wish your job was still here? The Senate has not voted on this yet. It looks like they will be voting either Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. Only time will tell. Nancy Pelosi says her plan of $2.2 to $2.4 trillion is coming. But just when, we don't know. Remember how the Mooch man was dragging his feet on everything, and still is. Well, it looks like Nasty Nancy has learned a lot from him about holding things up. Did any of y'all see Nancy Pelosi on Jake Tapper yesterday? She had so much makeup on her face, you would need a chisel and hammer to get it off. And it still didn't help her. Y'all, the lower class Democrats are still wanting Nancy to do something and get a deal passed now. Her own people are trying to get her out of office. That's pitiful. But on the same time, it's funny. But come November, whether they're successful or not, she will be gone from office along with a lot of other people. Y'all, Nancy's little package that she's supposedly putting together is expected to include stimulus checks, unemployment pay, more money for the airlines, more PPP funding, and hopefully some money for heroes. Let's just hope she gets something done soon before the election. Y'all be sure and check out my video at 9 a.m. this morning. I'm talking about equipment that you need for YouTube to get started on YouTube. Someone asked me yesterday to do a video like that, and I already had one in the can, so I just uploaded that one. It's the same topic that the person asked me for. It's everything that you need to get started on YouTube. Y'all, please check out my books. They're in the link below. Also, I still got a few stun guns left, a few pepper sprays left, and a few tactical knives left. I'm still debating whether I want to continue selling these after they're gone. I have sold thousands of them. But with the price going up, you know, what was it, 3 or 4 months ago, sales has slowed down. So I'm not really sure if it's really worth the time. But I do want to get rid of these that I've got, and then I'll decide. Y'all let me know if you think I should keep selling them or not. I did sell a lot of them. Y'all, I've got that video coming at 9 a.m. this morning. Please check that out. And please subscribe to this channel. Leave me your thumbs up. And just know, I love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.